Hello, buddy fans, and welcome to the bush. Guys, can you see how beautiful that are? A little dummykie made from a stroompie and a baby watervalletjie in the middle of the bushes here, in the middle of bloody nowhere there. Yeah. Now, if you're walking through the bushes here and you get bloody thirsty, okay, this looks nice and clear and you can see the bottom there, okay. Don't druk your lip in and suck it up like a strooitjie there, okay. You don't know where this water come from, okay. There could be poop floating around and next moment you hit you by the tunnel. You're going to get spite poop and pop a vein by your front head like, from squeezing patty there. Yeah. But back in the day, the Khoekhoe tribe used to find a little Bosveld jacuzzi like this. They used to take off all their clothes, climb Kalgat in there, and dip them for healing. Yeah. Don't attempt that, okay? Because there are dangerous animals living inside this water here. It could be crocodiles, hippopotamuses, luggerwagons. Yeah. And parravissies. Yeah, it looked like a fish, but it's a para. That is a fish for now, and then it become a para. Yeah. And it could be bloedsuiers there, sucking of the bloodworms. Yeah. They climb up in funny little places over there, and they suck your blood. You crack cops here and shoot chunkies all over the place. Yeah. But bloody beautiful, okay? Okay, thanks.